What's the meaning of backhand? Backhand. Backhand.
Backhand. Backhand. The term backhand has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. In sports, especially tennis, backhand refers to a stroke made with the back of the hand facing the opponent. It is an essential shot in the game and requires expertise to execute properly. In general usage, the term can also refer to a critical or negative comment made against someone or something. It is typically used to describe a remark that is indirect rather than direct. Additionally, some dictionaries define backhand as a type of handwriting where the letters slope backward rather than forward.